Okay, I am turning on my 2007 Subaru Impreza. Alright, and this is the belt squealing noise.